Hello, my name is Saren. I'm an engineer from Research and Development Department and the company Aidite. As an R&D personnel, it's our mission to bring something good, affordable, and beautiful to customers. Aidite is an upstream industrial in the dental industry. We have been committed to creating highly simulated dental restoration materials, from SHT White to Sandy Pro Zero, bring more good news to dental labs, dentists, and other customers. Rapid restoration, the reduction of wear and tear on the drawer teeth, and the high simulation effect gives the 3D Pro Zero a higher status. So what are the highlights of 3D Pro Zero? Let's see. First, highly strength up to 1050 megpa and the cervical region, suitable for virus indications, and the lower strength about 700 megpa and the incisor region to protect the jaw teeth. Secondly, natural color transition in the toning process, comprehensively considering the saturature of the missing bites and the single crown, the uniformity of hue and brightness. In order to achieve better aesthetic effects, the transition is natural without trace, so it's barely a layerless gradient. And then the excellent fast centering performance greatly reduced the patient's clinical waiting time to achieve faster restoration. Raw materials are imported to ensure high quality and stable product output. 3D Pro Zero more than natural.
What you gonna do?